Hey everyone, I'm Kate from StudySense, where we help students with ADHD and executive functioning challenges build the tools they need to succeed at school and at home. If you've ever asked yourself, what exactly is going on with my child and how can I help? You're not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to identify your child's executive functioning strengths and challenges so that you can support them with more clarity and confidence. Executive functioning skills are the mental tools that help us plan, stay organized, manage time, regulate emotions, and follow through on tasks. These are life skills, and for kids with ADHD or other learning differences, they often develop more slowly. But the good news? These skills can be taught. And when you know your child's EF profile, you can support them in meaningful ways. Let's start with the basics. Executive functioning generally falls into three main areas. Working memory, which is holding and using information in your mind, inhibitory control, resisting impulses and staying focused. Cognitive flexibility, adapting to change and seeing different perspectives. These show up in everyday skills like task initiation, time management, emotional regulation, and organization. Next, observe. Where does your child shine? Where do things fall apart? Maybe they can build a Lego masterpiece for hours, but fall apart when it's time to clean their room. Keep notes for a week. Morning routines, transitions, homework time. You'll start to see patterns. And just a reminder, a child who won't often just can't yet, especially without the right support. Now it's time to bring your child into the conversation. Try asking, what part of your day feels the hardest? When do you feel most in control? What do you do when you get stuck? The goal isn't to fix or correct, it is to listen. Their answers can give you insight into what's really going on beneath the surface. You don't have to figure this out alone. There are executive functioning checklists online, or you can make your own. For each skill, ask, can my child do this on their own? Do they need support or reminders? Is this skill stronger at home versus school? Laying it all out helps you see where to focus your energy. Teachers, coaches, babysitters, they all see your child in different settings. Ask them, when do they seem focused? What support helps them most? These outside perspectives can fill in the gaps and give you a fuller picture. Now it's time to take action, but don't try to fix everything at once. Start with your child's strengths. If they're a visual thinker, try color coding calendars. If they're highly verbal, talk through tasks before writing them down. Choose one or two targeted areas and involve your child in the plan. The more ownership they have, the better. Executive functioning skills develop slowly and not in a straight line. You'll see ups and downs, but when you approach your child with curiosity and compassion and build on what's already working, you create the foundation for growth that sticks. And remember, your child is not lazy or defiant. They just need the right support. If you'd like a free executive functioning checklist to help you start identifying your child's strengths and needs, I've got one linked below. If you're looking for personalized support, schedule a free consultation with me at StudySense. We're here to help.